Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Alakija. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Right now I am on Alakija bridge. Alakija is the bus stop on Lagos Badagry Expressway. It's a bus stop not very far from my 2. I'm a Lagos based YouTuber that showcases lifestyle, travel and development. If this is what you want to watch, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Hi guys, I'm still at Alakija. There's a toll gate that leads to Festac here. Construction work is still going on here at Alakija. Thanks for watching this video up to this. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.